Over the last few modules, we've discussed why companies choose to use batch production and some of the problems that are associated with large lot production. We've also discussed the benefits of lowering lot sizes and how this can assist organizations to level their production. We must keep in mind that smaller lot sizes can only be implemented in combination with lowering changeover and setup times from hours to minutes. This is done using systems like SMED or the reduce methodology. Now we are going to dive into transformation of level loading and its role in small lot production. So, let's dive in. Level loading is also known as load smoothing and Heijunka in the world of lean manufacturing. Whichever term you refer to it as, level loading is basically a term used to define a method of scheduling your daily production of different types of products. It works by smoothing out the peaks and valleys that so often occur when varying products and product families are produced together. Essentially, your orders are placed in a sequence that creates a repetitive pattern and smooths out the day-to-day variations in the total orders. This helps to smooth out the demand over a longer period of time as well. In the example shown here, you can see how the monthly output is converted to the daily output, and then a leveled production schedule is created. Now that you know what a leveled production is, we're going to look at three critical pieces of load leveling formula. Those are shish kebab production, tack time, and the load leveling box, also known as the Heijunka box. We'll see you in the next module.